So I get home from lunch today, and look what's waiting for me. My boxes are here, and I'm looking forward to putting them on. This guy, the new one. So let's take a look at these things, see what they look like coming out of the box, and see how we can put them on. Pretty exciting. Let's do it. So if I've apologize if you're having difficulty hearing a little bit. Air conditioner is running out here by the garage. It's in Georgia, middle of summer, here at the beginning of August, and you know it's a little over 90 degrees out here, so it's the AC is running the house to keep it cool. So I apologize if you can hear over that. But the Panniers came in today. Excited about it. Picked them up from Brooks AutoSports. Brooks AutoSports is out in California, out in El Camino, Sunvale, California. And Lisa there with Brooks AutoSports is really helpful and really on the money when it comes to getting you what you need for your actual bike. So let's take a look at what we got in the box. First time open it. See how they came. Nice protection. All sealed up. Pull it out here. Alright. A lot of bubble wrap to protect them. Shipping. Initial impression. They look great. This looks great. Look at that. These things are supposed to be keyed up all the way across for all three boxes, so they're going to use the same key. Quality's good. Thick box. Looking forward to putting these things on. So that's the first side box. Second box. Haven't seen the keys yet. Put it on one of these. Off to the side. Here. This is obviously the right side of the bike. Good quality boxes coming out of Brooks AutoSports out of California. Look for the keys, and I'll pull the top box out, and we'll see if we can go from there. So with a little more investigation, I was able to open it up. There's some reflective tape for the box, and also one of the keys inside the box there. Again, good quality, good welds. And the box is here. So I'm curious to see when we get these things put on. Look. Little button underneath the latch. Lift it up. That's it. Let's get see if we can find the top box. Alright, I'm going to pull the top box out. This should be the bracket. I haven't seen it yet. The bracket to mount it on top. They already put it on or what, so we'll see. Nope. Let's see it. Let's see this. put the mount for this inside the box. It shows again attention to detail out there, Brooks AutoSports. There's the mount for this top box. Another reflective tape that you can add on, which is kind of cool. All the boxes had that in there. One was white and the other two are yellow. So this is the top box. Good quality. Locking mechanism and padding in there, shipping. There we go. Alright, let's see how these things go on and how easy they're put on the bike. A little side note for now that you can hear me, the fan kicked off finally for the air conditioner. But a little side note on these boxes. This bracket that you see on the bottom, the side reflector, this one right here, has to come off for these Brook boxes. So it was a simple, I used the little drill. Just take this bracket off. You don't really need the reflector when you have the box on anyway, but I'll keep these, obviously put them in an area where I can use them again if I do decide to take off the boxes for future applications. But those do need to come off. Simple little fixture there. I'm not sure what bit size it is, but just put it in there and take it off. I took it off with this drill here. This is the bit. Obviously, it doesn't have a size on it yet. T25. So a T25 takes that mount off fairly easy. It was really easy. And so with that, you can take the box. I'm not sure exactly how the top ones lock in, but just take and set it there, line it up, and bam, it goes on. Little metal bracket there, fits into place. Tighten these down. These little wheels, let me see if I can show you. So there's these little wheels right here. There's a bracket behind it. It's a little elbow, comes behind the bar, and same with this side, behind the lock-in. The bottom ones go around, obviously. The bracket, you can see here, behind it. But they fit right on there, pops right on. No issues with it going on. Let me tighten this down and see how sturdy it is. So this one here, I'm sure the best position. This anywhere as long as it makes contact in the back. Tighten that down. The way all the access is in the inside, obviously that somebody wanted to mess with your boxes, they couldn't get to them because all the access is inside, and then these little wheels tighten down to hold those wheels in place. I'm just going to use a pair of needle nose, get a little half turn, and that's it. First one's on, and sturdy. See in play here. I have a little bit in the box, the backside, but overall, that thing's not going anywhere. That's actually, I'm going to tighten the back one a little more, but that's it. Fits really well. Let's put the other side on. Alright, I tightened it down. Actually, I put this back bar facing the rear. The bar behind this one sticking straight up. No movement on the bottom at all. Tight. Lock down. Good to go. A little sweat, but the box is on. I'm going to show you how quick that process is on the other side that I haven't messed with. So there's old Harley sitting over there not getting used. Alright, let's try this side. See how this works. Make sure the tops are loosened up so you can rotate them at the back. I'm going to put it on. Oh, well, I got to take this side off first, so I'll show you how to do that. Make sure the reflector's in the view. Show you how quick this is. There's one. There's the other one. And there goes the air conditioner, so if you have a hard time hearing me, that's why. Yeah, alright. That's off. Just going to put these back in so I won't lose them. That. And let's put that box on. See how long it takes. Open it up. Just set it on there. Pop this in. It's on. Straight up with this one. Tighten this down. Tighten a little loose in that there. That's it anymore. And this one to the rear. This one's already seated. Tight. And they're on. So that's the two side. See how it looks. Yeah. Love it. Alright, I'm going to put the top box on, see how easy that goes on. Be right back. Alright, let's take a look at this top bracket. Metal in there. Nice. It's like the same type of metal as the plate that comes on the bike. Got some hardware in here. Screws for it. All well packaged, no issues there. Alright. Key. One of them, I'm not sure what that key is for. It's for the back. Alright. So, see what size we have here. These brackets and the lock. If that's for another one for the back, is that PML the same or what? So we'll see here in a minute. Alright, let's see what we can do with this mount. size. It's like a DeWalt T25. Hold this other one. Put that small side on the back side. Fit there. Let's see. Tight. Comes up. One of those in your way. It's pretty tight back here, so you gotta line that up first, then drop the screw in. Tighten that down a little bit. Same with the other side. Didn't see any directions for this, but I'm usually pretty good at figuring stuff like this out. It's one of them. So alright, I'll start this back up. I'm going to get this thing mounted. Be right back. Alright, about to have this done. Until they stop. Back them out a little bit. They ain't going nowhere. These are all tight. Then you don't want to over tighten these. It's almost like aluminum. So the mount brackets on there, tight. Now see how the box goes on. 2 wide ones up front, 2 narrow ones in the back. Fit right in there. Let's see. And then this one a little. Oh, there's a center nipple underneath it. It's keeping it from going on. Gotta open it up, loosen the center lock, and it should slide into place. Drop down. Just need to tap it back. Okay. Sweat. Sweat equity in it. And they're all the way back. And then that piece, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Center piece right there tightens down into a hole in the bottom, which locks it in place so you can't take it off. It's tightened down. That about it. Bam. So it's on there. Let's take a look. How she looks. A little different now. And she's ready to go. Wasn't that bad. Actually fit on pretty well. Pretty impressed. The overall construction and the ease of mounting it onto your bike itself. So pretty easy. A little extra boxes and everything left, obviously, but they're on. And I'll tell you, the people at Brooks, great job of making sure that you have what you need. I'm going to check the locks here in a second, make sure all the locks are keyed up right, but those boxes are on and they're ready to go. So pretty excited about giving it a try. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, just another quick walk around. My 2019 GSA 1250 with my Brooks AutoSports panniers, and they work great, they fit great, no issues with mounting. Really actually pretty easy. Even though they have instructions and directions in there, they're actually fairly easy to mount. No issues. Highly recommend. Next review will be a few miles down the road. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. Appreciate it.